So this is the start of the project for me really, because in 2016 I came to the museum to study this chair for a project I was working on. A lot of the elements of this chair are used in the Bardic chair. Things like the heavy seat, it's really thick and it's chamfered so it doesn't look so heavy, and I've tried to copy that with that heavy seat. It is quite wide and shallow, and the distance of the where the legs start into the seat. So I've created the CAD for the blanket in the package I use, which is Rhino. It's a 3D package. I copied the pattern from photographs I had of the blanket from the museum. So it's really handy because I can get the actual angles straight off the CAD to make my jigs for drilling the spindles and the arms and the legs.